Guys, just a short video. This is a long overdue content. Finally, I received first light game system Heroquest. This is a historical moment, guys. If you know me, you know that basically I'm crazy for Heroquest. I spent my last 30 years playing on it with the custom rules, homebrew rules and stuff. And now, finally, we have a new system after 30 years, almost. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, it was 89, so, oh my God, almost 40, guys. We have a new board. A new board, something totally innovative. This box is massive, guys. Is massive. We don't have a lot of minis inside, but I wanted this new system for 3 reasons. First of all, it's Heroquest. And we have a fully detailed quest book with, I think we have like, let me see it, 10 new quests. This is the first reason, basically the second reason, yeah. These are beautiful. This is the rule book. There are a lot of new stuff here. Some rules are modified. Oh my God, I like it so much. This is the new Dungeon Master, the new Zargon screen. It's much more colored. Little bit, it's smaller than the old one. Okay, these are basically the same. The beautiful tokens. This is the new furniture, which is great if you need to travel, for example. This is like a portable version of Heroquest. So the chimney, 2 tables. These are wardrobe, libraries, torture rack, the altar, tomb, the alchemy desk, and the weapons rack. These are the monsters, guys. Look at that. I don't want to punch them. These are so beautiful. I like that. Rats. Other monsters. Perfectly punched. And the doors. These are very nostalgic, guys. And this is a beautiful version. Of course, double-sided. A beautiful version, like in the 1989. Nice, I like them. And finally, the third reason is this monster board. Or the minis. We will see the mini in a minute. But look at this double-sided, huge, monstrous, colored board. Oh my God, how it is to open. How it's quite difficult to open. Okay. Oh my God. Yeah. And this is finally a new official B-side board game. Let me show you at this best. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? My God. Beautiful, guys. Okay. I need to understand how to fold it. It's simpler than I imagine. So it's like this. And finally, the new heroes So the wizard, the she-elf, the new barbarian, and the dwarf. Oh my god, I want to show you them also. They are gorgeous. And with them, the aggressive dragon. Yeah, look at this monster. Outrageous. Let's remove them. We have more dices. Oh, these are very light actually. They are big and light. I like them. Beautiful. I need to check. I think these are bigger than the others. Okay. Not a problem at all. These are a beautiful set. Then we have this interesting dice tray, which is beautiful. We have all the bases, the plastic bases for the monster and minis. And finally, the cards. Beautiful set. I don't want to open it because in this moment I don't care so much about playing this specific game. I will use all the minis with my painted set. This is it. This is all. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing with me. And very soon I will show you all my Heroquest collection. So see you next time. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.